John Lloyd Cruz, born June 24, 1983, is a Filipino actor. Regarded as the king of contemporary cinema by the media, Cruz has top-billed several box office successes. He has more than 10 films with box office grosses of 100 million pesos in the Philippines. CNN describes Cruz as the quintessential image of the contemporary leading man. He began acting at the age of 15 and has over 30 productions to his credit. A breakthrough role on the soap opera Kay Tagal Kong Hininte, where he first started working with actress and frequent co-star Bea Alonzo, followed his starring role in the well-known Filipino TV drama Tabingilig, which he appeared in as a teenager. With around 80 awards won throughout his career, including Tufamas Awards and Tagawad Urian Awards, Cruz is one of the most awarded Filipino actors in the business. He was the first Filipino and Southeast Asian actor to receive the Star Asia Award at the New York Asian Film Festival (NYAFF). He was the fifth highest-grossing Filipino actor in the 2010s decade, raking over a total of 2.3 billion in box office receipts. His 2015 film A Second Chance grossed over 556 million, which makes it one of the highest-grossing Philippine films in history. John Lloyd Cruz is the youngest child of Lucido Laura and Aida Cruz. He was called by the nickname Aiden among his family and some close friends. Cruz finished his grade school at Marikina Catholic School in 1996. He was later discovered by a talent scout in a mall while hanging out with friends to watch Magic Temple. Due to his father's failing marble business, Cruz decided to enter showbiz to help his family recover from financial problems. He was also a member of the then-teen trio called Kulits with Baron Geisler and Mark Solis. A look back at John Lloyd Cruz's dating life. John Lloyd was 14 and Kay Abad was 15 when they became a couple. They met in Tabingilig. Their relationship may be short-lived as it only lasted for 9 months, but John Lloyd described it as unforgettable. John Lloyd and Chiara Asada were a couple for more than 2 years. They broke up in 2003. The ex-couple met again in 2016 when Chiara joined the cast of Home Sweetie Home for a guest role. John Lloyd and Lizzie first met at the Hong Kong International Airport. They became a couple for 3.5 years before splitting up in 2009. Both have remained good friends until today. Rafa Gutierrez and John Lloyd met on the set of I Love Betty La Fea. Both stars maintained a low-key relationship in 2009. The two stars broke up in February of 2010. John Lloyd confirmed his relationship with Shayna Magdayo in June 2010. Their relationship was filled with numerous controversies and intrigues. Shayna confirmed their separation in 2012. Both did not reveal the reason behind their breakup. John Lloyd Cruz and Angelica Panganiban were in a relationship that lasted nearly 4 years, from 2012 to 2016, and they were often seen together at events. Cruz has a son with a daughter named Elias Modesto. In December, Elias performed a piano recital under teacher Ryan Naviso. The co-parenting couples officially published their son's 2024 graduation yearbook. In 2023, Cruz confirmed his relationship with visual artist Isabel Santos after romance rumors surfaced in 2021. Inside John Lloyd Cruz's sprawling family home. Located in Antipolo, the well-thought-out property features a lovely outdoor area, a French Mediterranean structure, and American traditional details. With the help of architects Roland Andres and Danny Lucas, John Lloyd got the space he envisioned. Sitting on a 1,100 square meter corner property, the house highlights a relaxing feel, spacious nooks, and an enviable pool and outdoor area. From the outside, the house looks grand and imposing. The look takes inspiration from homes seen in Los Angeles, especially those with French Mediterranean and ornate styles. Architects Roland Andres and Danny Lucas added an archway at the entrance of the porch and chose fine Italian marble for the home's exterior. To balance out the exterior details, taupe was the chosen color for the walls. A koi fish pond serves as a relaxing feature by the front door. John Lloyd and his family take time to feed the fish. These gifts from a family friend not only add pops of color to the home, they add to the zen vibe of the space too. A high ceiling welcomes guests into the home. The entrance highlights an open space, adding to the spacious and airy feel. Aside from the staircase that leads to the bedrooms, this area also features wooden floors, cove lighting, and a customized oversized clock by Antipolo above the door. Found under the staircase connects the living and dining areas. This elegant powder room boasts of top-notch fixtures, warm lighting, and a flower arrangement that would remind you of hotels. Given its convenient location, guests can access the private space with ease during get-togethers. At the time of the shoot, the dining area wasn't 100% done. Nevertheless, it's still inviting and ready for meals and parties. A 10-seater Nera dining table from Liner Furniture serves as a focal point, while Timuri-Fi chandeliers add a warm glow. It's safe to say that the kitchen is one of the actor's favorite areas in the home. John Lloyd loves having breakfast in the nook by the window. Aside from Sub-Zero Ring the View, he gets to catch up on the news as well thanks to the wall-mounted TV. The addition of chairs transforms the marble-top island into a makeshift dining area. Aside from leaving enough space to get some cooking tasks done, the extra counter also holds a vase filled with flowers and fruits. Similar to what's seen in the dining area, red beach veneer livens up the ceiling and aglo marble was used as flooring. Top-of-the-line appliances, fixtures, and accessories complete the spacious kitchen. To keep the cooking area neat and organized, cabinets and storage nooks were also put in place. Manufactured in Germany, the cabinets feature a soft-close system and a self-closing mechanism. Found adjacent to the dining area, the lanai functions as a holding area while dinner is being prepared. Furnished with an 8-seater dining set from Antipolo, it can also be used as a lounge area or as an outdoor dining nook. The swimming pool wasn't part of the initial plans for the house, but the actor changed his mind when construction began. As advised by a feng shui expert, an infinity sign was placed on the tiled flooring. It is believed that the sign will counter bad luck. Taking inspiration from a well-loved American drama series, the guest house is a charming mini property on its own. Measuring 80 square meters, it has 2 bedrooms, a living area, a dining area, a kitchen, and a bathroom. A few minutes spent alone can give one a breather. John Lloyd prefers quiet afternoons in this favorite spot where he can marvel at the view of the house and the outdoor area. Behind the sitting area is the outdoor bathroom. Located behind the swimming pool, the outdoor bathroom used to be a gazebo. The space is now used as a changing room for guests and friends who use the pool. Just like in the powder room and kitchen, it's completed with top-of-the-line fixtures and a fancy chandelier, too. John Lloyd refers to the statue as Mando, a replica of the ancient Greek sculpture Venus de Milo. It adds European flair to the spacious outdoor area. The architects allotted enough space for a beautiful garden where the owners can take a stroll or take in the calming view. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Your support means a lot. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on new content. Always take care.